Good morning everyone. Myself Subhash Saram. I am from Mechanical Engineering Department, 3rd Sem B section. Today I am going to explain about the power of turbines. In today's world, energy demands are rising. Turbines plays a pivotal role in harnessing various forms of energy. From wind to water, these machines convert kinetic energy into usable power, revolutionizing how we produce and consume energy. There are several types of turbines, including steam, gas, hydraulic, and wind turbines. Each type operates on different principle and it is utilized in various applications. Understanding these differences is crucial for optimizing energy production. Wind turbines. Wind turbines convert wind energy into electricity using large blades that rotate with the wind. This process is a clean and renewable way to generate power, significantly reducing our carbon footprint and reliance on fossil fuels. Hydraulic turbines. Hydraulic turbines utilize water flow to generate electricity by harnessing the energy from rivers and dams. This method provides a reliable and efficient source of power, contributing to sustainable energy solution worldwide. The future of turbines. Innovations in turbine technology are paving the way for more efficient energy solutions. Smart turbines equipped with advanced sensors and AI are optimizing performance and reducing costs, making renewable energy source more accessible. The role of turbine in energy production is crucial for a sustainable future. By embracing innovative technologies and investing in renewable sources, we can significantly impact our planet's health and energy landscape.